welcome to our next video. Alright, so here I'm showing you some of the stuff that we have on the Alikare website, the Alikare for trendy fashion. So here I'm showing some new dress. Like this dress, very trendy, can wear to work. Look at this nice three-piece suit, and look at the price. They're very affordable. This is $16 US, $17. Look at this nice blazer jacket, you can wear on a Friday. You can dress it up with a nice little black dress. You know, Valentine's Day is coming up. You can wear that to work. I can wear that to the office, and you can also go out on it with at maybe a nice lunch date, and even a nice function. You can wear that to some semi-formal function. Look at these jeans. So guys, as you can see right here, the price are very reasonable. $20, $16. Look at this nice blue dress. Okay, very reasonable. Look at this dress again, $9. So you can make a gift to a friend by, you know, buying something. You can go and check out with your PayPal, and we have more stuff here. Just click along as you go. Let's check out this page. Very affordable, guys. Look at this nice pantsuit, $16. So very affordable, guys. This dress just $45. This is $16. So check out the alikare.com site. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want a free coupon, you want to be affiliate with our site, we will send you free coupon and a code, so every time somebody shop you will get a discount. So if you're a YouTuber, please contact us with the email up here if you want to become a partner with us by we giving you a code, so every time somebody shop you can get a commission from it. Thank you so much for watching, and this is Alikare.